Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous 25 classes focus on the history and the polity chapter. And so let us begin with the Indian economy. And first topic is the basic Indian economy. And let us start with the basic UPSC prelims questions. Okay. C. Rangarajan panel has recently recommended the pricing of coal. Note the pricing of the natural gas involves a complex methodology of arriving at average of international gas hub price. These statements are correct because the C. Rangarajan panel is linked to the pricing of natural gases. So B is correct. Two is correct statements. One is B. Is answer is B answer. Consider the following statement. Cheat funds in India are governed by the Cheat Funds Act 1982. These statements are correct. The cheat funds are governed and regulated by the respective state government, not central government. So second statements are incorrect. The price of cheat funds and the money circulation schemes are illegal. These statements are correct. Asking what correct statements. So 1 and 2, 1 and 3 are correct statement. So answer is not here is option. So go to the next questions. Consider the following statements is correct. 80:20 scheme of the RBI is related to gold import. Yes. 80:20 scheme means that the some banks can import gold with the condition that 80% kept for domestic use and 20% of the consignment will be exported. So these statements both one and two statements. So answer is C. Read the statements about the India's position in index of the chronic capitalism. These statements are old question, so let us skip that. Which of the following statements are correct? If a country is experiencing increase in its per capita GDP, that means its GDP must necessarily grow. These statements are correct. If a country is experiencing negative inflation in the GDP, must be decreasing. These statements are also correct. Asking what correct statements. So 1, 2 are correct statements. So answer is C. Consider the following statements regarding the main cause of the high food inflation in India in the recent past. Due to the more focus on the cultivation of the commercial crops, the area under the cultivation of the food grains have steadily decreased in the last 5 years by about 30%. This is incorrect because only 5 to 7%. Okay, so first statement is incorrect. Due to increasing incomes, the consumption pattern of the number of people have undergone a significant change. These statements are correct. The food supply chain has a structural constraint. Yes. Asking about the correct statement. So 2 and 3 are correct statements. So answer is B. Which of the following occupation are included under the secondary sector as per the national income accounts? You know the manufacturing, the secondary sector, construction is also secondary sector, and gas and water supply is also secondary sector. Mining and quarrying is the primary sector, not a secondary sector. Asking what secondary sector, so 1 to 3 are secondary sector, so answer is C. This question is old, so let us skip. Consider the following statements are correct. India Clearing Corporation has been granted the status of qualified central counterparty by RBI. These statements are incorrect because qualified central counterparty has been granted the status of clearing corporation. So first statement this word is interchange. So first statement incorrect. Quality central counterparty status means to adhere to the principles of financial market infrastructure. These statements are correct. Asking what correct statements are 2 only, so answer is B. Consider the following statements in regard to reserve currency. Reserve currency acts as an international pricing currency in the global market for commodities like oil and gold. Yes, the country whose local currency is accepted as the reserve currency gets an added advantage in terms of lower commodity rates in the international market. These statements are correct. Asking for correct statements 1 or 2 are correct statements. So answer is C. This is the old question, so skip that. Consider the following statement in regard to Residex. The index is prepared to track the price of residential properties in India on the basis of actual transaction price. Yes, the index is prepared from the secondary data available from the various sources like the housing finance company and the bank. Yes, asking about correct statements. One to correct statements. So answer is C. Which of the following will not be the part of the financial inclusion? Open Education Center is the part of financial inclusion. Opening Wealth Management Center by the Citibank is also part of the financial inclusion. Erection of poverty is not the part of financial inclusion. Report of the Khan Commission of Financial Inclusion is also part of financial inclusion. Asking what is the not part, so only 3 is a not part, so answer is only 3. Here is not written. The effect of the government surplus upon the equilibrium level of NNP, net national product, is substantially same as the increase in the consumption. So answer is B. Consider the following statement in regard to devaluation and depreciation of the currency. Devaluation is an activity conducted by the central government where depreciation happens due to market forces. These statements are correct. In the both devaluation and depreciation, currency loses value against the other currency in the floating exchange market. These statements are incorrect because in the devaluation also loses the value but in the fixed exchange market, not floating. In the case of the depreciation in the floating exchange market. So second statement is incorrect. Asking what correct statements, only one is correct. So answer is A. Which of the following is a step which will result in containing inflation? That means how to curb inflation. Increasing cash reserve ratio, increase curb the liquidity in the market, so inflation automatically curb. So these statements are focused on decreasing inflation. Yes, decreasing statutory liquidity ratio automatically increase the liquidity in the market, so increase the inflation. Permitting central state agency to import duty free pulse and sugar increase the supply in the market, so automatic inflation is decreases. So asking about which steps, so 1 and 3, so answer is B. Which of the following will not contribute to higher current account deficit? Increase in the price of the crude oil is also increase in the current account deficit. Yes. Rise in the export of the service decrease the current accounts deficit. Rise in the import of the service increase the current account deficit. Asking what not contributed to higher current account deficit is only 2. So answer is B. Consider the following statement in regard to the GDP of the country. Real GDP is calculated by the keeping inflation into the consideration. Yes. Nominal GDP is calculated on the basis of the price of the goods and service produced in the current year. Yes. Asking what correct statements, 1 to what correct statements, so answer is C. Which of the following are the correct in regard to the austerity measures taken by the country going through the adverse economic condition? These measures include the reduction in expenditure. Yes. These measures include the increase in tax. Yes. These measures include the reduction in budget deficit. Yes. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following come under the non-planned expenditure? You know the expenditure is two types, plan and non-planned. In the non-planned, no plan is how the amount is that is such like subsidies, interest payment, defense expenditure, maintenance expenditure or for infrastructure. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements correct about the balance of payment in India? Balance of payment is a systematic record of all economic transactions of residents of India with the rest of the world during a given period of time. Yes, the main purpose of the keeping the record is to know the international economic position of India. Yes, India's balance of payment turns negative in the second quarter of 2015. The statements are correct. Asking about correct statements 1 to 3 are correct. So answer is D. Which of the following statement is correct about the term stimulus in the economy? It is a massive investment by the government in the manufacturing sector to ensure the supply of the goods to meet the demand surge caused by the rapid economic growth. A stimulus means that economics all over all sector going to the upward trend for the economy. So this is only focus on the manufacture sectors. So these statements are incorrect. It is intensive affirmation action of the government to the boost economic activity in the country. These statements are correct about the economic stimulus. It is the government intensive action on the financial institution to ensure disbursement of the loans to agriculture sector to promote more food production and control food inflation. This is only focus on the agriculture sector, so these statements are incorrect. It may be include a monetary policy like lowering the interest rate and quantitative easing. This is correct because this is focused on all sector because the easing of the monetary policy boosts the economy. So 2 and 4 correct statements, so answer is D. This is the old question, so I skip that. So thank you for that.